Hi everyone, welcome to my craft room this afternoon. So I wasn't planning on doing a video today, but I was having a bit of a play, so I thought I would turn on the camera and show you what I've been up to. So these are my flower sheets. So you have lots of layers on the one sheet, and all I've done is I've printed it onto 32 pound Xerox gold printing paper, and I've snipped them all out. And then, as per usual, I've just done my little cuts into the centre. So I just thought I would show you how I actually put these together. So I'm using my big ball tools. I've literally gone right round the outside, so I've done a couple of layers already. And this is why I like using paper for this size, because it's quite taxing on your hands doing such large sizes. So all the way around the outside, and then a nice sharp press in the middle. All the way around the outside of the petal. Now when you forming the outside of your petals, you should see the petal raise up. If it's not raising up around the sides, then you're not applying enough pressure. So this is the smallest layer, and this is to create your lovely bud shape. So I'm just going to move down to my normal tonic ball tool, and I'm just going to really give that a nice press around the outside. This will help creating your bud shape. And then give it a nice little press in the middle. Right, so these layers are just slightly smaller as you layer them up. So I've got two of that size and two of the larger size. So I'm just going to grab my glue gun, and the same with all the other flowers, I'm just going to offset the petals by having a petal and a petal and a petal in the middle. And these have already been distressed, they've already been coloured for you, so all of the work's been done. Just putting the next layer down. I made a card using the Helena sheet last night, which I've done a video for you, and I'm making this to go on the box for the card. So to create a little bud for the centre, I'm going to use one of these little decorated polystyrene balls. You usually get these from the dollar store, they're quite inexpensive. It doesn't really matter what colour it is because you're not going to see it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to pop some glue in the centre, pop the ball and the glue right in the middle, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to mould the petal to the ball, and I'm just giving the petal a little bit of a squeeze at the top. I'm going to put quite a bit of glue on this one because it will hold it all together for you. And there's your little bud made. So I'm just going to pop some glue on the bottom and pop my little bud in place. And there's my little flower made, well, big flower. So this is going to go on the box that I'm making for this card. I just thought it was quite nice and in keeping with the design of it. So thank you so much for watching this little video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye.